was really fun.
Welcome to HdM Stuttgart.
It's pretty impressive and nice here. The summer course was amazing. I loved it. I got to learn so much, and it was a 10 out of 10. It just kind of broadened my perspective of how media works across the world.
The people are really nice to us, and we just have like the best time.
Studying abroad, getting to learn about the German culture, getting to know people from all around the world.
Experience it's like once in a lifetime.
Make new friends, as well as get a whole new perspective on my regular schooling.
I had such an amazing time. I think it exceeded my expectations. I would 1000% recommend the summer course. To come to HdM.
That was like a really bonding experience, I would say.
Please apply, you won't regret it.